Join us on a journey through a magical forest with a mystical golden retriever. The forest is surrounded by twisted trees and gnarled roots, creating a truly enchanting atmosphere. On the wooden table, a glowing magical crystal castle, accompanied by luminous lava mushrooms, floating jellyfish, and fireflies, adds an extra touch of enchantment to the scene. In the background, a saltwater mountain lake, fed by a saltwater mountain river, shimmers with life. Colorful fish, vibrant coral, water vegetation, and beautiful mermaid goddesses inhabit both the lake and river, while Japanese cherry trees with pink flowers complete the magical scenery. Press the button to explore the enchanted forest with the golden retriever. Thank you for exploring the enchanted forest with us.